clapping alien ass cheeks today, baby. Happy Sunday, y'all. We out here in Virginia catching these beautiful girls. Oh, so sexy. Yup. You're a nasty bass. Put you in the water. There she is. It's a beautiful Sunday here in Virginia. We're catching these gorgeous girls. Let's go. All right, let's go to release her. God damn. I didn't have time to set that one. All right, number 2 is 20 and a half. God, getting bigger, y'all. Getting bigger. Look at my dingo. Yeah, it's Sunday, Virginia, second fish. He's 20 and a half. This is beautiful. Yeah, you are so beautiful. All right, you get a kiss too. All y'all get a kiss. Oh shit. God damn. Oh, she fights like one, but she's like a 14. Girl, you fight like a monster. You fight like a monster. You're a baby. You're supposed to get bigger. There she is, y'all. Look at that little sexy tongue. Look at that little sexy tongue. All right. And ready? 1, 2, and yeet. Get it. Look at this sexy little girl. Look at you, you're not on the thing, you know it. Eat you. All right. God, look at this, y'all. This is the 4th fish, but the 3rd big one. I think might be over 20 again. Let's see. Oh shit. Hold on, dog. You're hitting my nuts. You're hitting my dick, dog. Get off my dingo, homie. Oh shit. Never had this before. Oh, you're poking me too, though. God dang it. It was in my dick. Oh, you're a dick, you dick. Alright, he is 18 and a half. It looks thicker though. You're thick. Alright, you asshole. Say hello to the world, girl. She is 18 and a half. It's awesome, y'all. Beautiful Sunday. Catching beautiful bass. This one hit my dick though. I'm gonna show you in the video. Got a dark tongue too, like a chow chow. All right, y'all, we'll release her. All right, homie. Go get her. She's a beauty, y'all. She is a beauty. Look at that. All right, let's release her. All right, let's go. Y'all know you're catching chunkers when you got that bass palm right there. Jesus. Let's go. Oh yeah. Today was a good day, y'all. It's a good Sunday morning. Did about almost 2 hours total. Within the first hour, landed about 5 decent bass and a perch. So today was a tournament. It would have been a great tournament. But anyways, I gotta go get ready for these clients I have today. I got to do some massages, and then after that, probably gonna go to the beach and hang out with the fam. But anyways, yeah, hopefully you liked the video. All right, yeah, deuces.